Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Moon's Vanity. Today I have come up with a new makeup look that you can wear under your mask. We all know that mask has become an essential part of our daily life in this pandemic situation. But who says you can't wear makeup under your mask? Yes, in this video I'm going to share how you can achieve a stain-proof and sweat-proof makeup quickly if you want to wear makeup with the mask. So without further any ado, let's get started with the video. I've already washed my face with a face wash and now I'm going to use the Mamaearth Oil Free Face Moisturizer. It will help to control the oil in my face. Just put your moisturizer and moisturize well. After that, using a L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. Primer is very important in this makeup because this will help to keep the makeup in place for a longer period of time. So use a good quality primer. Now I'm going to use a concealer. Here I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. This is in the shade Golden Honey. And I'm applying it under my eyes, on my eyelid area, and then all the spots and blemishes on my face, bridge of my nose. Basically wherever I'm thinking to conceal it. And now I'm using the PAC 265 foundation brush to blend it well. I'm concentrating more at my eye area because that will be the visible. Now I'm using the Pond's BB cream. And if you want, you can skip this step, but I apply this BB cream because I really like it. It just gives you a very sheer to medium coverage. And again I am blending it with my fingers as well as the foundation brush. Now it's time for the compact. I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Compact Powder to set my concealer and the BB. Now time for the eyebrows. I am using the Etude House eyebrow pencil. First I am going to brush my eyebrows with the spoolie. And now I am going to shape my eyebrows with its natural shape. Take your time while doing the eyebrows because that is going to be the most highlighted part in our makeup. So take your time doing it. Start from the center and gradually move forward to the corners. Now I'll be taking my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and taking a very light transition shade from the palette and just define my crease line with a fluffy blending brush. You can definitely skip it, but I just want my crease line to be more defined. After that, take any eyeliner that is going to be waterproof. Here I am using the Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner and drawing a winged liner with it. As the eyes will be our main highlighting point, so I am drawing a wing line. After that I am going to use the mascara. Here I am using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Just apply 2 to 3 coats of it. After that I am taking the same Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and choosing a light brown shade from there. With a flat brush I am trying to contour my nose lightly. Let's come to the lipstick. I am using the NYX Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade 07. You can skip the lipstick, but I love lipstick with my makeup, and it is a matte lipstick so it won't stain my mask. And I'm also using the lipstick as my blush and blend it with my fingers. After that I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray so that my makeup stays for a longer period of time. Hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube. Guys, I really hope that the COVID crisis comes to an end real soon and life gets back to normal so that finally we may get rid of the mask. Also, I like to put my hair in a bun or pony when I'm going outside. If you have any video suggestion for me, then please drop it in the comment section. I'll definitely try to do that. I'll meet you guys very soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.